working a lot. They got me shooting a Glock, it's all in my head. They gonna find out I'm dead. Wish that they watched what they said, I really don't know. Most of the time it was no. I need to make me some dough, just get up and go. I wanna smoke, I wanna silence some hand in the throat. Act like I'm the man, I try to hide who I am. Smoking a couple of grams, cause cars on my hands. I work to give me a grand, count all the miles I ran. I make them believe I'm ahead of it. Don't need no push to say I'm irrelevant. And your hoe really look like an elephant. I know what you say, yo, go to hell for it. I have money I'd rather be focused on. They all selling so they got their curtains drawn. Keep the police from seeing their bullets gone. Let a bad man determine what's right or wrong.
Yo, we out here writing bangers. I got a hollow chamber. Fuck around, you in danger. My aim good like a ranger. Yeah, big stick in the Glock. AP for the shot. Fuck around with your thought. Trash boy, you a bot. Hot, lurk around in the night. Pussy boy, you don't fight. So no head, she a dyke. Never mind, that's a pipe. Woo, bricks on me like I'm Mason. You ain't hard, boy, you faking. Cut you up like I'm Jason. Out here and I'm
the weed
wasted.
that I'm trying to sell to you. Use the money that I don't get to pick and choose. If it got guns and bring out the best in you. I ain't lying, I seen this, I know it's true. In the fall, I will leave all my life behind. Grab my bags, tell your bitch before you arrive. Prove the wrong once again, I'm a different kind. Watch yourself and be careful so that you don't die.
This shit is heat.
She suck on my dick.
Yeah.